Now, sector of a circle. Sector of a circle. Now, this is our circle. This is our circle. See this. This is our circle. Same. Now, this is minor sector. Minor sector means this is the part of the circle. Part of the circle. See this. This sector we write O dash AXB. This is our sector O dash AXB. This is OA is the radius, same way OB is also radius. And this is major sector. This is major sector. Okay. Now, first we write here area of circle. Area of circle pi r square. Then second, diameter bracket d is equal to 2r. Then third, circumference of circle C is equal to 2 pi r, or we write is equal to pi d. These are three formulae for circle, means radius, then radius, then diameter, area of circle, circumference of circle. Now we will study about area of sector, area of minor sector, area of minor sector. See this, area of minor sector. Now area of minor sector, this is our minor sector, means part of the circle. We write this way also, A bracket O dash. A means area, O center of the circle, and AXB. We write this way also. Now when we write area of sector, minor sector, or we generally say sector, then A dash O dash AXB is equal to, see here, theta upon 360. Area of sector means this is the part of the circle, so pi r square. Now when we write formula for area of circle, then theta upon 360, same way, theta upon 360 pi r square, but angular measure of circle is 360, means theta is equal to 360. 360 upon 360 cancelled. Then what is left? Pi r square. Generally we write this way. When we take semicircle, then the angular measure of semicircle is 180 degree. 180 means area of semicircle is equal to 180 upon 360, means 1 upon 2 pi r square. Did you get it? This way. Did you get it? Now the next one, fifth formula. See carefully. Now length of an arc. Length of an arc. See here carefully. Length means we want this part, this part. Okay, we want this part. That is, we say length of an arc we write in bracket small letter L. Now when we find length, see here, this is circle. Suppose this circle is made up of wire or rope, then see here, wire or rope, then we make it straight, then we find length of that wire or that rope. The length of the circle is called circumference of the circle. Did you get it? Circumference of the circle. So I have written here formula for circumference of the circle. Did you get it? Now length of an arc L is equal to, see here, theta upon 360. When we find length of an arc, means generally we find circumference, or that is length, we say circumference, then into circumference 2 pi r. Did you get it? When we find length means nothing but circumference, no, but we write the length of an arc, length of an arc, not circle, so we write this formula. Okay, then sixth one, see here, area of sector. Again another formula, area of sector, A bracket O dash AXB, O dash AXB is equal to, see carefully, I have written here already formula. Now I will write here again, theta upon 360 pi r square, see this carefully, is equal to, now theta upon 360 into 2 pi r, see this carefully, theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. I have taken 2 extra, I have taken here 2 extra, no, so cancel. Then pi r, what is here, r square, so we want r, see here, theta upon 360, no, 2 cancel, pi r into r square. Now see this is formula of length of an arc, no, so instead of this we write here L, into r upon 2. This is our another formula for area of sector. Did you get it? Area of sector is equal to L into R upon 2. Then very important formula. Now see this. Here we write perimeter of sector. See this, perimeter of sector means this L. This L means what? Length of an arc. Did you get it? Perimeter of sector is equal to L, means length of an arc, length of an arc plus OA plus OB, OA plus OB. Okay, OA plus OB. OA is radius and OB also radius. How many radii? Two. 2R. Did you get it? Perimeter of sector is equal to length of an arc plus 2R. 2R means diameter. No, but here I have shown here OA plus OB, R plus R, 2R. Okay. Now, last formula, that is area of major sector is equal to area of this major sector. See this, AYB, AY, see here, YB. Area of major sector is equal to area of circle, area of circle minus area of minor sector, area of minor sector. Did you get it? Practice set 7.3, question number 1. Radius of a circle is 10 centimeter. Radius that is given. Radius 10 centimeter. Measure of an arc of the circle is 54, means theta 54 degree. Find the area of the sector associated with the arc. We have given also pi. Pi is equal to 3.14. Then this is our theta 54 and this is our arc. This is our arc. So find the area of this total sector, means O dash AXB, that is associated with this arc AXB. Okay. Therefore, we write here area of sector is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square. Okay. Now we put values. Area of sector is equal to 54 upon 360 into pi. What is the value of pi? 3.14 into r, 10 into 10 or 10 square. Okay. We divide here 18 3s, okay, 18 2s and 0. Okay. Series 10 2s and 2 5s. Okay. This way. Now multiplication of 3 into 3.14 into 5. Therefore, area of sector is equal to 3 into 5, 15 into 3.14. Okay. Therefore, 15 4 carry 6, 15 1 15 and 6 21 carry 2, 15 3 45, 45 and 2 47, 1 2, 2 decimal places, 1 2. Now this is area, no, area of sector, so centimeter square. Did you get it? Write this. Practice set 7.3, question number 2. Measure of an arc of a circle is 80 degree. We want 80 degree, means theta is equal to 80 degree, and we have given its radius is 18 centimeter, radius 18 centimeter. Find the length of the arc. We have given also pi is equal to 3.14. Now find the length of an arc. Therefore here the length of an arc is equal to theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. This is formula for length of an arc. Therefore, length of an arc, I will write here L is equal to theta 80 degree upon 360 into 2 pi, value of pi 3.14 into radius 18. Okay, we cancel here 0 0, 18 2 36, 2 and this 2 cancelled. Therefore L is equal to, means the length of an arc is equal to, means L is equal to 8 into 3.14. Okay, therefore L is equal to 8 into 4 carry 3, 8 into 1 plus 3 carry 1. Okay, 8 into 3 24 and this 1. Now here 2 decimal places, so here also 2 decimal places. Now when we find a length of anything, then that is here centimeter, so we write centimeter. Length is in centimeter, millimeter, meter, kilometer. Did you get it? Therefore finally we write here, therefore the length of an arc is 25.12 centimeter. Practice set 7.3, question number 3. Radius of a sector of a circle is 3.5 centimeter and length of its arc is 2.2 centimeters. See this. This is arc. This is arc AXB and length of it is given 2.2 centimeter. Okay. Then question, find the area of the sector. Now first we write given. Okay, R is equal to 3.5 centimeter and we have given length of an arc 2.2 centimeter. Therefore, we write here area of the sector, area of the sector. Now, which sector? This, see here in our figure, area in bracket O dash AXB. This is our sector O dash AXB, and we are finding area. So I have written here A is equal to, when we have given radius and length, then formula is L into R, means length of an arc into radius of the circle upon 2 is equal to length 2.2 centimeter into radius 3.5 centimeter upon 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. Therefore we write 11 5s are 55, carry 5. 11 3s are 33, 33 plus 5, 38. Now decimal places, 1 here and here 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 1, 2. Therefore, our answer 3.85 cm into cm. Cm square means centimeter square or square centimeter. Means we write here, we write only this or this, area of the sector. Okay. Area of the sector is equal to 3.85 centimeter square. And finally write, therefore the area of the sector is 3.85 centimeter square. Practice set 7.3, question number 4. Radius of a circle is 10 centimeter. Radius of circle is 10 centimeter. Area of a sector, minor sector, area of minor sector A is equal to, see, this is our minor sector and this is major sector. This is marked region. Okay, marked region, that is we say major sector. Major sector, I will write here AYB. Okay, area of minor sector 100 centimeter square. Then find the area of its corresponding major sector AYB. Okay, that is our major sector. We have given radius. What is radius? 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter. Okay. Then we have given area of minor sector is equal to 100 centimeter square. Okay, then find area of major sector. Okay, therefore see here, area of circle. Now this circle is made from minor sector and major sector. Minor sector and major sector. Area of circle is equal to area of major sector plus area of minor sector. Did you get it? This is our formula. Now, area of circle pi r square, and here we don't know area of major sector, we want to find it. So area of major sector, okay, plus area of minor sector, that is given 100 centimeter square. Okay, now we have given value of pi 3.14 into r square. R is 10. So square I will write this way, 10 into 10 is equal to area of major sector plus 100 centimeter square. Now here multiplication, see here 10 into 10 100, and here two decimal places. No, when we multiply all these three terms, then we get 314, and we take 100 to the left side, plus becomes minus. Then right side left, area of major sector. Therefore 214 area always in square centimeter, square meter, like that. Here centimeter square or square centimeter is equal to area of major sector. Practice set 7.3, question number 5. Area of a sector of a circle of radius 15 centimeter, is area is 30 centimeter square. Find the length of the arc of this sector. Sector means O dash AXB. This is sector, and length of the sector means AXB. This is our length of the sector. Okay, now we write first here given. What is radius? 15 centimeter. Then area of minor sector, that is given 30 centimeter square. Then find the length of the arc. See here, length of the arc, and we want to find. Now our answer. See here, area of this minor sector or only sector, area of minor sector is equal to, when we have given radius, area of sector and length, then simple formula L into R upon 2. Then we put values. Area of minor sector 30 centimeter square is equal to, and we don't know, radius 15 centimeter upon 2. Okay, therefore L is equal to, we take 15 and 2 to the left side, but I am writing here to the right side. See this, 2 into 30. This denominator becomes numerator. Centimeter square, I will write this way, centimeter into centimeter, and this 15 numerator becomes denominator. Centimeter cancelled, therefore 15 ones are and 15 twos are. Therefore length of an arc L is, here 2 into 2, 4, and unit centimeter. Did you get it? Practice set 7.3, question number 6. In the figure, radius of the circle is 7 centimeter and major arc, here the arc given, major arc MBN, that is given 60 degree. Okay, 60 degree. Then find area of this circle. Okay, first, then area of O dash MBN, and third, area of O dash MCN. Okay, this way we want to find 3 answers. Now first, I have written here radius 7 centimeter, theta means this central angle, theta is equal to 60 degree. Therefore first, our first question, area of circle, area of this circle is equal to pi r square. Therefore pi 22 upon 7 into r square, I will write this way, 7 into 7. 7 cancelled, therefore 22 into 7, 154 centimeter square. This is area of given circle. This is our first answer. Second, area of minor sector, area of O dash MBN, means this is our sector. This is our sector. O dash MBN is our sector. Therefore theta upon 360 into pi r square, area. So pi r square here, theta upon 360. Value of theta 60 degree upon 360, here also degree, into pi, value of pi we have taken here, no, 22 upon 7, into radius square means 7 into 7, cancelled, 66. Okay, now 2 3s, 2 1s, 2 1. Okay, then we write here area of, see this, therefore area of O dash MBN n is equal to, see this, 11 into 7, 77 upon 3. This is area. So centimeter square or square centimeter. Therefore, area of O dash MBN is equal to 3 to the 6, then 1 and 7. Okay. 3 5 the 15. Left 2. We take 0 and here decimal point. 3 6 the 18. Again 2. 3 6 the again same. So 6 6 6 recurring, or we say repeating. Now 6 is here, 6 6 6. That is bigger than 5. If that digit is 5 or bigger than 5, then we add 1 in previous digit. Therefore, 67 means here we take 7 centimeter square. Did you get it? Now, third, what is area? See this, area of O dash MCN, MCN, see this, MCN, this sector, MCN, this sector, this is, we say, major sector, is equal to area of circle minus area of this sector. Where is that? This sector. Area of minor sector. Area of minor sector. What is the name? O dash MBN. Okay, therefore, area of O dash MCN is equal to area of circle 154.00, because here 2 decimal places. So we take here 2 zeros, minus 25.67. We give unit finally. Area of O dash MCN. See here, 10 minus 7, carry 1. 10 minus 7, then decimal point, carry 1. Okay, 14 minus 6, 8. Did you get it? Then see this, carry 1. 5 minus 3, 2 and 1. This is in centimeter square. Therefore, area of major sector MCN is 128.33 centimeter square. Set 7.3, question number 7. In figure, radius of circle are 3.4 centimeter and perimeter, listen carefully, I have given formula, perimeter of sector P dash ABC is 12.8 centimeter. Then find area of this sector, minor sector, area of minor sector P dash ABC. Now see this, we have given radius R is equal to 3.4 centimeter. Now we have also given perimeter of this sector. See here, perimeter perimeter of sector P dash ABC is equal to 12.8 centimeter. Now I have given formula for perimeter of sector, perimeter of any sector, that is length plus 2r, length plus 2r is equal to here 12.8 centimeters. Here perimeter means PA, this is radius, PC radius. How many radii? 2 radii, 2r, and length of an arc. Did you get it? So L plus 2r. This is our formula. I have given this. Now we put values. L plus 2 into r means 2 into 3.4 is equal to 12.8 centimeter. Okay, here I have written. Therefore, L plus 6.8, 2 into 3.4 is equal to 12.8. Therefore, L is equal to, we take like terms together, smaller term near bigger, 12.8 minus 6.8. Therefore, L is equal to 6 centimeter. This is length of arc ABC. Now with the help of radius and length, we will find area of this minor sector. See this. Therefore, area P dash ABC is equal to, by using radius and length, L into R upon 2. Therefore, area P dash ABC is equal to L 6 centimeter, R 3.4 centimeter upon 2, 2 3. Therefore, area P dash ABC is equal to 3 into 4, 12, carry 1, 3 into 3, 9, plus 1, 10. How many decimal places? Only 1. Then here. Now here cm into cm. Cm square or square cm. Therefore, area of P dash ABC is 10.2 centimeter square or square.